Hey everybody, this is Don over at Johnny's Used Cars. Voted the best place to buy a car in Okinawa by the military community of Okinawa for 2 consecutive years. That's right, we won back in 2023, kept the title here for the repeat in 2024, and naturally going after the three-peat here in 2025. Stop by, we'll show you why, like we have many others, and I will leave a link if you want to support us in the description by voting for us. All right, and then I do have an announcement to make about the financing coming right up. But for now, I'm going to show this 2010 Suzuki Splash that just came in. It's got 93,500 kilometers on it, which is about 58,000 miles. Before I get started, I'd like to let you know that we do have on-the-lot discounts. So the price you're seeing on the website right now will not be the final price when you come on the lot. Also, if you're arriving to Okinawa soon and you just arrived, please make sure you stop by Johnny's Used Cars as soon as you can and have a look around. Even before you get yourself a driver's license, there are benefits of doing it that way. So with that, let's have a look around. I'll show the features inside. But first, I'd like to ask you to please watch the video until the end. I do go over a lot of information in my videos, going to answer a lot of your questions. Things like the JCI, the warranty, the road tax. I cover all that and more, so please bear with me till the end. You have all the answers. If not, please contact me or stop on by. The Suzuki Splash is a 5-passenger vehicle in the 500 series category, so the mid-size category. Road tax per year is going to be 7,500 yen, which is about $50 right now with the current exchange rate. Road tax is due every April-May time frame. So we're going to take care of the remainder of the 2024 road tax for you. Then it is on you this upcoming April or May to take care of the 2025. Now you do have 2 ways to pay for this. First one being US dollars cash out rate, which could get you a larger discount, or take advantage of 0% financing for 24 months. Now here's the announcement. We no longer have the no down payment option. We will require you to put at least $300 down. That's it. Only $300. But if you want to put more down, reduce your overall monthly payments, you can. A lot of our customers do like $500 to $1,000. Some do half, some do more. Up to you. Before I go inside, I always like showing the rain guards. Rain guards will allow you to roll your windows down a little bit this way. If it rains, it's not going to get wet inside. More important feature benefit is going to be that cross ventilation, get that extremely hot air out. And always get yourself a good windshield visor. You got to keep that dash as cool as possible in this heat. So in addition to that, you may consider buying a dash cover, or if you want to keep it simple, get yourself a nice size bath towel or a beach towel and put that on top. Now it's beeping because the key's in the ignition and the door is open. So let's get this thing started. Again, it's just coming in to be a little dirty. It's not too bad. All right, so let's get this thing started. All right, stick this in here. 93,644 on the odometer. Let's show you a couple of warning lights. All right, we'll start off with the fuel one. Obviously, there's it just came in, so we need to put some fuel in there. The red one there, obviously your seatbelt one. Make sure you wear your seatbelts. They do give tickets on and off base. I'll learn how to talk here. Now the one below that, that's normally on other cars like a green or a blue. But this one is just going to turn on if it's red. That means it's overheating. Be able to look out for that one. And then that one over there, that red circular one, is your emergency brake. This one's a hand brake, so when you disengage, it goes away. Engage, it comes right back on. Other than that, it's a very simple, straightforward, straight ahead instrument cluster. Anything pops up on the dash while you're driving, especially if it's red, please pull over immediately, find out what it is, take the necessary action. Off the left here, I should say you have your RPM gauge right there. On top, you have a little storage compartment. Then you have your radio, little storage underneath, air conditioning controls, power outlet, and a funky cup holder. It comes all the way out. Then you have your shifter, cup holder, little space for storage, and the handbrake as I told you about. It looks like it does have heated seats and another little compartment there, whether it's a cup holder or storage. Above the glove box, you have this little shelf here for storage and the glove box itself. And a little bit of storage and cup holder on each door panel. That is your passenger space over there. You get your red roof flare hanging out over there. Then this is the space I have on my side. The seat is all the way back, all the way down. I am 5'11", as everybody loves knowing. I'm pretty good right where I am, or I can slide it up maybe an inch or two and still be comfortable driving. Let's go eye level. I feel like I'm sitting really high, but that's my eye level right there. I really can't see the passing windshield wipers like on most vehicles. All the way back. Now, normally I take this time to show you the auction sheet, showing you this is a non-accident vehicle from mainland Japan. Please keep that in mind. Graded non-accident from the auctions up in mainland. All these other dealers out here can't tell you that on all their cars. We can for each one. But because it just came in, I keep those inside the office, still been detailed. Once detailed, I'm going to put it up here on the sun visor on the driver's side so you can see that for yourself. We'll help you decipher it if need be. And there are dealers out here that'll try to discredit the auction sheet. Stop by, we'll explain why. And if you need to look at it before we get it detailed, obviously we can run inside and get that for you to show you. All right, let's show you a few other things before we go to the back seat. So this one right here looks like a radar detector. Now, we always keep everything inside the car. Unless it doesn't pass the JCI, then we'll need to take it out. Then over here, looks like it has an aftermarket dash cam. Now you can see how it says, well, it says that it's missing the SD card. So you're gonna have to buy a micro SD card. I don't know what the auctions do with these SD cards. I think they sell them on the room, but a lot of these things don't come with the micro SD cards already in them. All right, let me open the door here. So over here, let's start off with this one. That's gonna control the angle of your headlights. So maybe it's a foggy morning, you want to see the street a little better, that's where you're gonna do it. And it also has fog lights right here. This guy hanging out right there, that's your ETC reader, the electronic toll collector. That works like Easy Pass in the States if you're able to get the card for it for the expressway. And then off to the right here, you have your hood release. Please don't forget on the floor here, you have your gas cover release. And then on the door panel, you have your mirror, window, and door lock controls all right here. All right, so let's turn this off and let's head to the back seat. All right. All right, so with the seat all the way back, all the way down, I'm pretty much flush with it from the back seat to my knees. Nothing as far as storage on the back of the driver's seat, but you have pocket storage on the back of the passenger seat. As always, be careful what you put in there. You don't want to rip it on each side. And nothing as far as storage on the door panels. And there are no center console or armrest. So to the back here. So here's your rear space. This does have a privacy cover that you can pop out, because if you need, I just hit my head. If you need extra space, you can just put this down. Let me see. Oh, you can have this whole space open. So that will lay down flat. You'll have this whole space open, okay, if you need the extra space. Come over here. Show the engine compartment, then we'll wrap this video up. All right, there you have it. 1.2 liter engine, which will be cleaned during the detailing process. So there you have it. 2010 Suzuki Splash. 93,500 kilometers on it, which again about 58,000 miles. Military prices down to $4,600. With additional military discount, we'll get it down to $4,400. Again, while you're here, please ask the information guy about on-the-lot discounts, and you will get a lower price on this. For now, the $4,400 will include a 2-year JCI, the 1-year bumper-to-bumper full warranty, the remainder of the 2024 road tax, and the 10% sales tax is already included. Only thing on top will be the American insurance requirement. Whether they go liability or full coverage, which is totally up to you, and we can assist you with that here. Touching on these warranties real quick, yes, there are 2-year warranties out here. However, they're not the best thing since sliced bread, so don't be fooled by them. Stop by, we'll explain why. But we do encourage you to shop around, go to the dealer, see what they have, check out the condition, mileage, and pricing of their vehicles, then stop by Johnny's Used Cars at a show we have, what our program is all about, and how we're going to assist you. We are definitely making a difference out here because we are different. One of the many reasons why we did win the Sergeant Stripes Best Pacific Magazine's Best Place to Buy a Car in Okinawa Award for the 2nd consecutive year. Again, stop by, we'll show you why. Don't forget 2 ways to pay for it. Use dollars cash outright, or take advantage of 0% finance for 24 months. Either way, we're good to go. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Hope to see you soon.